Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to restart the desktop, how to restore the laptop. So let's get started. So when you uh, when you open the laptop or desktop, here on desktop screen you will see the Windows icon. Click on it. After that, just above the Windows icon, you can see the power button. So click on it. Here you can see the three options: sleep, shutdown, and restart. When you click on the restart button, your PC get restart. In this way, also you can restart your desktop or PC or laptop. I will tell you another shortcut way. So to restart your PC, desktop, laptop, for that click on Alt F4. Here you can see the options. So here is the restart option. Select the restart option and click on OK. So in this way also you can restart your desktop or PC or laptop. So these are two ways to restart your system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.